Yo, family. Yo, what is good, guys? How's it going? How's everyone doing? Hello, hello, hello. Why am I so stretched? Let's try and fix this, right? Ooh, woo. Yeah. Yo. Yo, guys. That looks normal. Hello, Chew. Hello, Powell. Hello, Abby. Kulpa. Christoph. I think that's Christoph. Chew, Powell, Abby, Christoph. Gustavo, Elizabeth, Louis, Rick, Abir, JK, Sean, Gerardo, Janice, FX Toolbox, Abir. Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're from. I hope you had a brilliant day so far. I hope you're ready to make some money. We are 5 for 5 today, or this week. 5 trades, 5 wins. You know how we do. Hello, hello, hello. Jay, are you streaming on TikTok? No, I got suspended for 3 days. Hey Dan, how's it going? Alex, William, Adam, Young Victor, Johnny, Jessica, Ree, hello from Vietnam. Hello, back to you in Vietnam. Ibrahim, hello. Junior, what's good, bro? How's it going? What is good, guys? Jessica, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Ready to make some money. Let's see how it goes. Buys are looking good on GJ, if I'm being completely honest with you. Buys are looking good, like the cheese. We've had the red folder news for today. We've had the red folder news. You can see 3:30, which was an hour before New York Open in my time zone. So about 8:30, 1:30 New York. Just before the New York Open, regardless of the time, an hour before it opened, we had our red folder news. We've got nothing left for the day. So we're pretty chill. You know, we've got that volume, we've got that volatility. We can do our thing with it, you know what I'm saying. So we'll see how it goes. Buys are looking good though. Buys are looking like the move. Hello, NXRBBY. Yo, Michelle, hello. Nice to see you here. Let's get it, guys. Like up the stream if you're ready to get started. Let's get it. Let's get it. So, 1 min IFEG. Looks like we just missed that. Could take a re-entry if it retraces before taking out the high though. I think I might leave my funded. We're on a winning streak, so I'm going to leave my funded account for today. The challenge one that you hear me doing in the background. I'm going to leave that for now. Do you think that the bull market is over in crypto? Great question. No, not really. Not really. I think we're going to see it a little bit differently now. Like, think of crypto as Forex. Think of it like that. That's what's going to start happening in my eyes. Like how we have different types of economies, we have different types of coins, which will have their seasons. Bitcoin, in terms of Bitcoin, which leads most of the pairs at the moment, but most of the coins at the moment, no. I do not think it's over. I hope it's not over. We've pushed straight up today after sweeping all these lows out. Let's see what this 1 minute doing. 1 minute's just completely flipped. Guess we're gonna wait for a high time frame setup, I guess. Let's check the 5. So on the 5, It's starting to get a little bit messy now. I wanted to see a nice flip there. I wanted to see a nice push up. IFEG. Boom, bang, done for the day. But no. We just seem to be pushing down. We want a nice sustainable, slow move like this, maybe like this, but we just seem to be getting this. Yo, chat. What's good, Zhang? Christoph. On GJ, we are under fair value gap, so you want to trade along into it and possibly bounce back down. I don't care about the second half of that. I'm not possibly bouncing back down. All I know is we will come to that fair value gap, and then from there, we see how we react to it. So just take it one step at a time. The first step is getting towards that fair value gap. But if we go on the daily first, let's check the bias for you guys. Why not? Give me just a second. Okay, right. Anyway, the bias, what's going on? Okay, so if we take a few steps back, we just retrace a little bit. The daily should have come up and took this high out, but it didn't. It should have come and took this high, but it did not take the high at all. It's just reversed back to the fair value gap, which is this one right here, which at this moment in time, we are inversing. But remember what I said. I think I've said this live. I may or may not have. The private group defo should know. We assume the higher time frame will be respected. We assume the higher time frame fair value gap will be respected. So if we apply that knowledge and apply that logic to this time frame, we go, well, the daily, this one, we don't care about that at the moment. All we're focusing on is this one right here, okay? And it's a similar situation to the gold trade we took the other day, or yesterday, where basically, if we tap into this and close up here, we're gonna be bullish tomorrow. If we close, even if we close like around here either as well, like if we close here, as long as we don't close below this fair value gap, we will be bullish tomorrow. But as of right now, we need to assume that this fair value gap is going to be respected, because we haven't closed below this one yet, and we haven't closed below this one yet. So we're still kind of assuming that it's going to be respected, assuming that we're going to continue up off of it. Therefore, we need to look for buys. So we've got a bullish bias on the daily. On the 4 hour, it's kind of a similar story. If you look to the left, you can see there's a lot of fair value gaps. So you would then go to a higher time frame, and we've used the higher time frame one here. So you don't really need to look at them too much. All you need to look at here is the liquidity. You can see that we have took out this low over here. We haven't retraced back to a fair value gap yet. We formed a lot of them on the way down, but we've got this one, which is my main target, which is the most recently formed one, which I think we can come up and take, or come up to anyway. So up here is where we would look to target, kind of like the top half of this fair value gap. So that's the bias. The bias is bullish here. If we go down to the 1 hour, it's again very, very messy. I think the 1 hour was also bearish before. So we have this fair value gap here. Take a few steps back again, I guess. We took this high out. Sorry. We took this high out right here. We took the high, which means we then need to retrace back to a fair value gap, which we did right here. Yeah. We reverse, or inverse that, sorry. So we had to come and take the low out. We haven't took the low out yet, so there's that too. Plus we just took this high here. If we go down to the 30, you can see that's kind of what's going on at the moment. And this is where it gets very mixed, because the higher time frames are a clear buy, whereas the lower time frames, if we close like this in 15 minutes, we want to be taking sells here. We want to expect a move down, because we take the high, we IFVG, we look to continue down to take this low out, and the confluence for coming to take this low out is the fact we haven't done it yet on the 1 hour. So if we close around about here, okay, if we close like that, then that means two things. One, we can take this out, and two, we can take this out. So if we go down to the 15, like this, I don't know if I want to be taking sells, to be honest, but we'll see how the 15 closes. It's very clear that we're going to continue down to make a new low now. But if we check the 5 as well, it's took this out. So what we might get is a close back inside the fair value gap, which would be the 5 minute retracing, potentially inversing the fair value gap that it might form in the next 4 minutes. So recap, everyone's on the same page. The daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bullish, the 1 hour is bearish, the 30 minute is also looking bearish, but we need to wait, we need to assume that the fair value gap is going to be respected. So we really kind of mixed on the 30 minutes, so we're bullish daily, bullish 4 hour, bearish 1 hour, mixed 30, bearish 15, slightly bullish 5 for the next couple candles. You're in on a sell, nice thing. What are you looking for now? I don't know, because this would be against the bias. I don't really want to trade against the bias. We can look at something else though. We can look at gold. We'll have a look at gold. So what we need to do is basically just wait 13 minutes, see how this 30-minute closes, and if it closes down here, then we're definitely not taking a trade. But again, this is against the bias, so I don't know how I feel. Let's check gold. What's going on with gold? Gold. Very, very messy here. Let's get rid of all these drawings. So we took the high out, right? We took all these highs. We just keep on making all-time highs again and again and again. We are steaming on towards 3K, which is mental. Steaming towards 3K. But we took this high out. We formed a fair value gap yesterday, which means we need to retrace back into that. We go down to the 4 hour. There's a 4 hour IFVG here. After taking out a high on the 4 hour. So we liquidity sweep IFVG, come down to take out this low over here, which would also make sense because we need to retrace towards that. So we're definitely bearish in terms of liquidity on the daily, on the daily and the 4 hour on gold here. We need to retrace down back to here. So sells make sense on gold. If we go to the 1 hour, just let's talk out all these lows. I guess it's due a retracement. The 30-minute, what does that say? The 30-minute looks good. The 30-minute's got no bottom wick and it's just bounced into this fair value gap. The 15, respecting the 15-minute fair value gap, after taking the lows out and all these lows here. The 5, okay. Because we push straight up, we'll have an unmitigated fair value gap here, which would be an issue, but it would align with the bias. Would align, let me move my mic forward. It would align with the bias. Bro, the 15 inversed. 1 sec, Melvin. Because if we inverse this, we could take an entry here. But there's that unmitigated one. So. Yeah, the structure is probably bearish. We don't use structure, we use liquidity. Like we can be in a complete downtrend, but we need that retracement. I think the daily will confirm it too. If it closes. Anyway. What's this? 10 seconds left. Okay, looks like we're not going to do this. Let's check GJ. Yeah, okay, right. This is probably the best move. Maybe if we do something like this instead though. I mean, inverse a 15. Someone said there was a 15 IFEG. Yeah, we inverse the 15, but to be fair, we don't really need to use this. Let's clean this up a bit. If the price took the sell side liquidity in 30 min, we can look for buys. Yeah, if it takes out this, yeah. But then you'd want to look at the 5 and look at the 5. You'd want a nice pause like this. There is a 15-minute IFVG there, Melvin. You do bring a strong case. 8 minutes left on the 15 and the 30. It's a pretty chill day today, you can't lie, pretty chill. Also, I don't think there's going to be a stream on Monday. So we check the fundamentals for Monday, there's no news. No news. No red folder. Which will be the 3rd Monday off we've had in a row, I think. Can't believe I got suspended from my live streams on TikTok. Why were you suspended? I didn't do anything like illegal or dodgy. I think it's just TikTok are very, very strict with like this like trading thing. Very, very strict. Like, you know, completely open. I tried to do a few ads for TikTok that won't get accepted because it sounds like I'm saying you can get money in 10 seconds. Like, it sounds scammy, basically. And I didn't say you can get money in 10 seconds. It's like, you know, just like the usual video that I post. So they're very, very strict with that kind of thing. Very strict with it. So I think because there's they didn't tell me why. I violated a community guideline. I think one might be something to do with the fact that I've shown the TikTok live studio on my TikTok live stream. I think the second reason or the second option might be because I didn't clarify if it was financial advice. I probably might have said something like to do with getting into the gold trade we got into that implied it wasn't educational, it was financial advice, which obviously isn't allowed. Or some weirdo reported it. So, I don't know. 4 minutes left on the 30. Looks like we might be trying to take out this low. We could take an entry. I don't know though. I think it would be 0.5%. I'm not gonna do it on my funded, like on my challenge. And then you go, well, okay, what would the risk to reward be? Very, very low. It would be very low. Because there's just no structure really on the 5. I guess you could argue this could be structure here. High plus fair value gap. I guess we could put it there. But that's a shame. Sucks. Yes. But we learn. Hopefully it won't happen next time. But yeah, our Cyprus is good. It's pretty cool. It's a bit mixed with the weather though. Like the wind is so cold, but the sun is so warm. Obviously, that sounds quite self-explanatory, but like, you know, I can sit in the sun on a little chair thing, not the sunbeds, like the couch outside. I can sit there and be warm in the sun, but the second the sun goes away, it's freezing. But in terms of like the place, I love this place. It's pretty cool. I still need to do a vlog as well, showing you the place and the community. It's pretty nice. It's pretty, like, you know, not like Liverpool. So it's better than Liverpool. But I think I'm staying till April now, I think. Minus 24 here. Jeez. Where in Cyprus are you? Like I think it's Paralimni. I'm trying to say it. Paralimni. It's like you have Cyprus, you have Ayia Napa, you have Limassol, you have Larnaca. So you go over from Larnaca Airport, Ayia Napa, and then you're in Ayia Napa, and it's like northeast Ayia Napa, so far east, the Middle East of Cyprus, Paralimni by Petaris. Just gave you directions to me, gaff. I need to get a mic cover, I think. Like right now it's just like this. I think you might be able to hear me breathing when I'm this close. Pathos, no. Completely other side. Like literally opposite side of Cyprus. Are you in the trade yet? No, I'm not. And I'm definitely not entering now. I was about to. But that 5 min has the hour, the 15, the 30, no top wick here, so we might just shoot back up. And if we take this is completely invalidated the trade, to be fair. Completely invalidated it now. If we take this low out, there we are, we took the low. No top wick, no entry there at all in that, unfortunately. I guess we could have caught that, but I missed it. Yapping about fucking Cyprus. Oh, Johnny is killing it. Oh my days. Johnny's just past 100k now as well. Johnny's goated. I'll get him active in the Discord for you. He said I should make a press release. Oh, that's so cool. I'm buzzing for him. I'll get him active in the Discord, guys. Can we also go bearish to the lows? To the lowest fair value gap? Can we also go bearish to the lowest fair value gap? What price is the lowest fair value gap that you're looking at, Melvin? And what time frame? Oh, this one. If it's this one. How long did it take him to pass the 100k? Ooh, that's a good... I don't know when he started it. I'll ask him right now. Right, sorry guys, we'll get back to trading now. So, yeah, I guess you could if we close below it here, because you can see we're finding a lot of support here. Long wicks, short bodies, all bottom wicks as well. If we take this liquidity out, we could just bounce straight back up. See how we close in the next 3 hours, and then you go, if we close like that in the next 3 hours, in 3 hours, maybe probably not worth it. Let's get the 1 hour. 1 hour's took the low. So the 1 hour's bullish now. 15, 30's bullish now as well. This IFVG here is completely invalid now. It's done its job. We IFVG, so we take the low. We've took the low out now already. Completely done its job. The 15's done its job as well. To be fair, we could catch a quick buy move back up to this fair value gap. That would make total sense as well. It'd be a very quick scalp, like the R is not worth it. It'd have to be like this. And it goes against the bias. Oh wait, no, it goes with the bias, doesn't it? We're gonna take this, right? Okay. And we took the high out there. Ooh, we took the high out. Okay. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna see how we react to this fair value gap. We could look at taking it though, if we form this fair value gap now. How long did it take him? One week it took him. Don't know if you can read that. This is 1 week. I don't know if it's shown. I'll show you. I'll send it. I'll send a. To be fair, I might be able to do it here, but right. So we've got a fair value gap here, right? Okay, we could look at taking buys off of this. Let's focus. Let's lock back in on our trades here. We could look at taking a buy here. I don't know if it's worth it though. Let's see how we react to this fair value gap. Nice, trying to get an idea for when I start my funding process. Decision fatigue for 2 weeks. Yeah. Oh wow, we're respecting it. Five bullish, 15 bullish, 30 minute is 30 minute might form that fair value gap though. If we get a bullish candle in here, we could get in, but I don't know. We're not in this trade, by the way, guys, just to clarify. I wouldn't take this if it didn't go with the bias either. Oh wow, okay. We're gonna take an entry here, guys. Okay. Let's see how this plays out. Right, okay. 20th, second. GBP. I think that was quite intense. That I think we are aligned with things there. I think we are aligned to take this trade. We got a what 1.56 R. Right, we're going to manage the trade when we take this high out. We might also just take stops here. We might do that. I mean, not stop, sorry, take profit. Right, this is a new 5-minute open here. It's going to be hard to go break even on this one because with this fair value gap being in between, like our entry being in the middle of this fair value gap, a little bit messy. So I think we just kind of go tighter with our stop loss a little bit here. So we just adjust stops now to here. Not doing much, but channeling gear. Oh yeah. You picked up on that, Gustavo. Nice work. Bam, bam. 5-minute doji. Come on. There's a fair value gap here. Come on. Took this out now. We had to retrace there. That was perfectly normal. New high up here. If we take, when we take this high, I'm going to be break even and also closing half of this. Come on. No bottom wick on the 1 minute there. Come on, just push up, GJ. Right, we're ready to go break even. Come on, let's take that high out. I want to take half, but I want to have a logical reason to do so. I don't just want to be scared. Come on, just take that high out. Come on, GJ. Let's pull out the magnet. This will work. See? Told you, I'm break even and I've closed half now. Right, there you are, 0.5%. Whew, right. Now we just let this play out. It's this magnet strategy, man, I'm telling you. At least 0.5% here, but we got a W. We got a W. That's the winning streak continuing. Come on, let's get a full TP hit here. Five-minute no top wick. Come on, baby. There we go. Flipped straight away. Beautiful. Slay. Come on. This is like the first proper scalp I've done in a while. Okay, we need, like, a retracement would be perfectly fine here, but there's no fair value gap. I suppose there is one on the 5. Where's that? Right between where our entry is. Literally where our entry is. Come on, push straight up for us there. Like up the stream, guys, as Marcus is telling you to. Could we target the 5-minute high? I guess you could, but I'm sticking with this 15-minute fair value gap here. We've also just tapped into it and seems to have rejected off it, but I think we can come to the top half of it. I'm going to close another 25% here. Okay, yeah, equal lows there. I'm out with that quarter. So we got runners here. We've closed half and then a quarter of what was half. So like another quarter. So we got a quarter of this position running now. Closed half here. And break even here. Probably a bit more than that, but closed a quarter here. Left 1 quarter to run. So we got 1 quarter left running in this trade. I didn't take this on the challenge. I'll have a look at that in a sec. Young Victor. Triple lows here. Come on. Come on. Give us that full TP. How many trades is this week then? This week that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, 6 wins this week. Oh yes, come on. I'm out now. I think I'm gonna get out now. Should we just leave it actually? It's just the fact it's tapped that premium zone now, so we don't necessarily need to go any higher. And we've found hella resistance at it. I'm gonna let it play. I'm gonna let it play. I'm gonna let it play. Took the high out now again. So don't necessarily need to continue. We've got no top wick there on the 1 minute, so we could flip to make that. There we are, we've just flipped and made it then. Let's see if we can push up with it. Come on, GJ. Come on. So close. So close. Let's see. Come on. So close. Don't tease me like that, GJ. Come on. We're getting edged. It's edging us here. We're getting edged by GJ. Nice one. Nice one, Mike. Come on, GJ. Just give us that push. Literally like a couple pips. Come on. Literally like 5 pips. Don't take this away from us. We were literally like a pip away. Not half a pip. Don't do this to us, GJ. No. No. You guys are taking profits, aren't you? That's what it is. Who's took profits then? We got rug pulled on GJ. Alright. Guys, we're not closing this early. We're letting this play out. It's either going to come down here or up to here. Melvin rug pulled us. You've rug pulled us, Melvin. .6. Nice. Fair play. Right, I think that is so annoying. If we don't get a full TP hit on this, nice. I think I've took 75%. This is the first time in a long time that this has happened to me. Right, we need to inverse this. Come on, inverse this. Inverse it, GJ. Come on, don't edge me. I'm not closing this early. I'm going to let it play out for the culture. Come on. There we are. Tapped in the premium zone of that one and then bounced off of it. Great play. It's probably because I deleted it. I'm rebuilding the free course anyway soon. So I'll put it up there for you. If not, just DM me and I'll send you the copy on Discord. DM me on Discord. We bounced off that fair value gap. No. I'm so cold. Oh, I'm tired. Come on. Yes. Displacement candle, come on. Up. Yes. Keep going. Keep going. Up. Don't know why I'm showing it like that. I just caught myself what I look like doing that. Come on, GJ. IFEG, technical close, that's not nice. No bottom wick on the 1 minute there either. Hopefully we can get that valid fair value gap though. Never mind. Still there. Never mind, it's gone. See, this is what I mean. Technical close. We didn't continue. We just reversed. You want a nice strong push through and a strong hold. We didn't get that. Come on. It really is edging us here. No worries, Johnny. At least our idea was right. Even if this does hit my break even, my idea was for it to come to the 15-minute premium zone on the fair value gap, which it did. It just half a pip. Come on, you cunt. Let's have it. Come on, GJ. Don't mess us around like this. It's just gonna barcode now, innit? I got a drink. Come on. Been in this a lot longer than I wanted to be. But I'm not closing manually. This is going to hit one of my orders. Either my stop loss or my take profit. Don't just start barcoding now. Gap down on the 30-minute as well. That's got to reverse. Got to come fill this gap. I'm happy. I'm waiting for this. Got to come fill that gap now. There we are. Nicely done. Come on, GJ. Come on. Come on. Come on. Magnet strap. Let's make it bigger. This is the proven method. Thanks, Abby. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Come on. It really is messing with us here, isn't it? So annoying. Here we are. No bottom wick though, so it might flip, but oh, there we go. Come on. Give us that push. Give us what we need. might make that bottom wick though. See? Let's see what the high time frames look like. On the high time frame though, we are respecting this 5-min fair value gap we formed. Hi Josh, I'm new. Can you call that structure a consolidation? Yes. On the 1 minute, yes. Yes, 100%. I guess it's technically a win-win then. We'll either manipulate up and hit TP, or we'll manipulate down and distribute up and hit TP, as long as we don't manipulate down to here. Three times today. Come on. Another no bottom wick candle here. This has got a bottom wick now, so if it moves up, it's... Yeah, I think just don't try and cope with it in the journal. Sweet, we'll have a look. But don't try and cope with it, just embrace it, let it happen. And you'll get burnt by it, and then you'll learn your lesson probably. I have to go too, bye. No worries, Melvin, have a good rest of your day. I'll see you later. Thanks for your time. I'm just sitting here getting edged by TJ. Wait for the manipulation, yeah. This 5 minute has no bottom wick. Well, now it does. Come on. The magnet strat is 100% win rate. See you later, Zhang. Yeah, that's us. That's probably us now. Can't believe that, man. Literally, look at that. That's where I put my TP. Look at that. Do something, please. Just do something, please. Oh. Go on. This could be the manipulation, to be fair. Come on. Come on. You can do it. IFVG. So if this is AMD on the 1 minute, we should hopefully take out the highs. Come on. Gap down there. There we go. Push. This is so boring. Come on. Just do something, please. I don't care if it goes up here or here. As long as it goes to one of them soon, I'm happy. Noot. There we are. A little bit of action. Come on. This is a new 5 min. This is a new 5 minutes. Come on. Looks like that was a manipulation then. Could have caught another trade just doing that. Did you get in? Johnny, did you get in? Johnny Postle? Johnny Postle? Did you get in? Yes, Yes. Double high, equal highs. Let's go. For fuck's sake. Now just flip, zoom straight up to TP. No, never mind. I entered again at 189,114. Nice. Well, fair play. Fair play. Fair play. Alright, come on, GJ. Equal highs there. We got to come take those. Ugh, this is so annoying. Proper tease today, for real. Edging us. Edge maxing. Equal lows there as well. Hopefully we can take the low and then boom, go up, take the high. We're just range bound here. Equal highs and equal lows. To be fair, I don't really care what happens first, but there's a high probability we'll push up if we take the lows out first. That's a new 5 minute that's gapped down but has no bottom wick, so it's probably going to just push down, make that bottom wick, take out those lows, then reverse. It's made the bottom wick and took the lows out now. See you later, Elizabeth. Thanks for your time. I'll see you tomorrow. Right, so now it's took those equal lows out. It should just reverse soon, maybe? No? Come on. I don't want to tap out. I don't want to tap out. I want to close it, but I don't want to tap out. I don't want to just be like, oh, well, I'm bored now, so I'm going to close the trade. How did you know it goes up? What do you mean? My entry. What was my entry? My entry was 15 minute ERL to IRL, 1 minute IFEG, I think. 1 minute IFEG. And respect in this one. I think I entered, I can't remember, I entered here. Why did I enter here? I've completely forgot. There you are, yeah. So 1 minute IFEG plus respect in this 1 minute fair value gap here, so it should continue up to take out the high. Plus the 30 minute and the 15 minute took out a low, so needed to retrace back up. This is a 15 minute fair value gap, which we retraced back into. It's just a fly. Repetitively going just into the wall. Repeatedly just going into the wall. Or the window, I guess you could call it, not a fucking wall. Oh, I'm so tired. That's us took. Let's check. Yeah. Yes, unfortunately that's us took. Right. Either way though, winning trade. Let me just journal this. Right. So our entries really were like here. This was our trade. W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat. Let's get this. If you took this trade, W's in the chat. W's in the chat. We're 6 for 6 now, guys. 6 for 6 this week. 7 winning trades in a row. Every single trade has been discussed beforehand, the entry and the exit, and journaled, and you have access to the journal. 7 winning trades in a row. It would have been 9, but W in the chat if you took this trade, guys. W's in the chat. Another winning trade. We are 6 for 6 this week. W's in the chat if you took this winning trade here. Easy W. Caught live, journaled live, everything. 7 trade win streak. 6 trades in a row this week. Easy dub. Easy dub. For sells, I don't know. There was this one, this 15-minute one here. Alright guys, that's pretty much me done now. Like, we're chilling now. We're chilling. What's this week? So 4% this week, not bad. Could be more, should be more really, but that's us done, guys. I am done. I'll see you all tomorrow, same time, same stream. Do the exact same thing again, catch another dub. Let's see if we can continue this win streak and get another 100% win streak, 100% win rate this week. We'll find out tomorrow if we take a trade. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for your time, guys. Life-changing course is worth the money. Thank you, Marcus. I appreciate your time, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for your time. Hope you learned something. All that usual stuff. Make sure you journal the trades that you took, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.